In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos, videos, and files from Android phone to iPad. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you can't directly transfer videos from Android to iPad via Bluetooth, and while both devices have Bluetooth chips, Apple restricts iPad OS from using the Bluetooth file transfer profile to receive files from non-Apple devices. So to send devices which are often large files, Bluetooth would be painfully slow anyway. So what you want to do is the snap drop method. It's the closest experience to a universal airdrop, and it uses your local Wi-Fi network to transfer files directly between browsers. So connect both the Android and iPad to the same Wi-Fi, then open up Safari on the iPad, and then on on your Android, open up Google Chrome. Then type in snapdrop.net like so, then go ahead on here. Then what you want to do is on the Android screen, an iPad logo is going to appear. So all you want to do is just go ahead and go find whichever thing you want to send. So for example, if I wanted to send a photo and video, all I got to do is select whichever one I want. So let's just say in this instance, I'm going to upload this right here. It says uploading files, your files are almost done. So just wait for that to happen. And then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to be able to send any files you want directly over to your iPad.